Let's learn about comparing negative values. Interpret the inequality -4 is greater than -9. Describe and draw their positions on a number line. Let's get a number line here for us. We have a number line right here. We want to make sure we have -4 and -9 in it. So let's put 0 here. 1. Let's go negative. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, and -10 right there. Now if we draw the positions on the number line, -4 first is right here, and -9 is right there. So we've drawn the positions on our number line. Let's describe that. Well, -4 is greater than -9, meaning -4 is more to the right on the number line than -9 is. And we can see that here. -4 is more to the right because it's greater than the -9 right there, which is more to the left. So there we have it. We've plotted our points, -4 and -9 on the number line, and described it. I hope you learned something here about comparing negative values. And as always, thanks for watching.